Hello, innovators and problem solvers. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you approach innovation? If you're stuck and struggling to make sense of the jobs to be done framework, or feeling stuck in analysis paralysis, you're in the right place. Many of you want to learn how to do jobs to be done, not just learn about the theory. That's where I come in. I'm here to coach you through the entire process from end to end. What sets my coaching apart? Two key elements: structure and accountability. I bring a clear and systematic approach to jobs to be done, ensuring you stay on track and maintain momentum throughout your innovation journey. But here's what really makes a difference: learning in context. Instead of front-loading you with information and leaving you to navigate the challenges alone, we apply what you learn in real time to your specific situation. Even more crucial is having access to the latest tools and the most current thinking and problem solving. Methods that aren't regularly updated should be a red flag. They signal that practitioners aren't interested in continuous improvement or innovation. Ask yourself, where are the most recent results of traditional approaches? While we're not trying to replicate lean, which focuses on the solution space, we are aiming to become leaner, more cost-effective, and a faster approach to delivering innovation, insights, and outcomes using jobs to be done. Let me introduce you to our simple approach adapted from the lean world, the plan, do, check, act, or PDCA cycle. This comprehensive system guarantees your success from start to finish. Plan. We start with qualitative research, framing the problem space and defining how success should be measured. Do. Our quantitative research is based on a solid, quantifiable model, allowing us to find real value gaps in the market or in a process. Check. We keep analysis simple yet powerful, enabling non-data scientists to quickly identify value-producing actions. Act. With data-driven insights, we help you formulate strategic options with confidence. So, why choose Practical Jobs to be Done coaching? We offer deep expertise and unique accelerators that no one else has. Our approach is affordable, without the hefty price tag of traditional consulting. We focus on knowledge transfer, empowering you to succeed independently. Ready to take control of your jobs to be done journey? It's time to break free from analysis paralysis and achieve your innovation goals with practical solutions. Contact us today to schedule your preliminary coaching session. Together, we'll turn your innovation challenges into opportunities for growth and success.